Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to create scenes in the BleBox app. Starting from the home screen, tap on the Scenes button, in the bottom left. To begin, select Create First Scene. Now name your scene. The description is optional. To move on, select Create Scene. Now we can go ahead and add a device to our scene. Select the device you wish to add from the list, and then tap on Save in the top right. To configure the lighting, select the device, and tap on the edit icon. To have your scene activate an effect, tap on the edit icon next to color. Select Effect, and then Done. Here you can select from a list of preset options. To return to color editing, tap on the icon next to Effect. Select the middle edit icon to edit color. Here we have a few basic color options. Use the color pie below to create a specific color you might want. The sliding bar at the bottom of the page changes the amount of white in the color. Tap on Mono to access the RGBW sliding bars. When you're satisfied with your selection, tap on Done in the top right. We can edit the time taken for the light to change when the scene is activated. Once you're happy with your choices, select Save in the top right. Tap on the menu icon in the top right. Here you can add more devices to your scene, edit your scene's name and description, and delete the scene entirely. Select the arrow in the top left to return to your list of scenes. Now finally, to activate your scene, tap its respective button on the right. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.